Next up, Fresh Meat 3 for Banshee. In this we need to explore the roads leading from Blue Lagoon and try to retrieve any pertinent intel, then bring it back to base. This mission is super simple, though it requires a little bit of running. First of all, you'll need to head all the way to the southeast side of the map, all the way down here, and by Blue Lagoon, make your way up to 120-204 up here. On the road, near the top side of this, you'll find a corpse that you need to simply run up to and hit F on, which should complete the majority of this mission. You can already see it running from Blue Lagoon. It's right over here, and I did see a bot walking around, but they seem to have vanished. Hopefully that doesn't bite us later on. Okay, so pushing up here, there's a car in the bush and a body in the road. All we need to do is approach this body and simply hit F on it when we get here to complete the mission. That's it, hit F and there you go. Now I'm checking the map, this is where I am once more. So anyways, hopefully this super quick video helped you. Thank you all for watching, my name's been Troubleshoot and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.